Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pho sauce. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, and the juice of half a lime. We'll also use a teaspoon of sugar and a tablespoon of warm water to achieve the perfect consistency. This simple combination creates a dipping sauce that truly elevates the rich flavors of your homemade pho, making every bite even more enjoyable and authentic. Now, let's combine these wonderful ingredients. In a small bowl, start by adding your 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce and 2 tablespoons of sriracha. Next, squeeze in the fresh juice from half a lime. This adds a crucial bright, tangy element. Then, sprinkle in about 1 teaspoon of sugar. The sugar helps to balance the heat from the sriracha and the richness of the hoisin, creating a harmonious flavor profile that's both sweet and spicy. To achieve the perfect consistency, we'll gradually add warm water. Start with about 1 tablespoon of warm water, stirring continuously until all the ingredients are thoroughly blended. You want a sauce that is smooth and easily dippable, not too thick and not too thin. If it's too thick, add a tiny bit more water, about half a teaspoon at a time, until it reaches your preferred texture. This ensures it coats your pho ingredients beautifully. Your delicious homemade pho sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately alongside your hot pho. It's perfect for dipping slices of beef, noodles, or fresh vegetables. This sauce adds an incredible layer of flavor to every bite. If you have any leftover, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. It's a fantastic way to enhance your pho experience anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.